Oh my god. Squish him. Oh.
Somebody! Damn it! Help me!
Nope. Are you okay, ma'am? She's okay. She's alright. She's just traumatized forever. Oof. But then, what's her name? Sourpuss and Katana Man here. They're still alive, so she'd not know their names?
I think it stopped.
Unless you start feeling something. What's that? I wonder what devil she's contracted to. I don't know if I missed it before. I might have been talking over. Apologies. But I'm really curious.
You can remove those.
Okay.